walking side by side, and I'm gonna see.
Give the Minnesota Timberwolves credit. Entered tonight teams that were 20-0 all time, up by 15 at the half in a Game 7. And the Minnesota Timberwolves erased that.
To go into that gym and beat the reigning champions 3 times in the series.
There's something about that young man. There's something about his energy and his aura, his energy, his passion for the game. He got that it factor you can't teach.